Hey everyone, I have a mini market haul. So yeah, so first I have this deadly face bun. I'm very happy to get this one. It's 65 pesos and it has a keyring to attach in your bag. So I'm very happy to get this. So I have it. So the last thing I have was this the hamster, sorry, not monster. Yes. And so I have this one. So that's my haul for today. So yeah, here's my squishy. Bye.